In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT on TrustWallet. We'll walk through the full process from installing the app to seeing your USDT arrive, with clear tips to keep things smooth and secure. Start by opening TrustWallet on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from your official app store and make sure the publisher is legitimate. When you set up the wallet, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Carefully back up your recovery phrase and store it offline. It's the only way to restore your funds if you lose access. For everyday security, turn on a passcode and biometrics inside the app settings. On the main screen, you can either tap Buy or use the search bar to find USDT, also known as Tether. Selecting the asset from search helps ensure you're interacting with the correct token inside the app. If you don't immediately see it, try typing USDT fully and tap the matching result. Next, choose the specific network version of USDT. Tether exists on multiple blockchains, and the one you pick affects fees and where you can later send your tokens. Common options may include versions on networks like Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or Tron. Match the network to where you plan to use or send USDT, and remember that sending tokens to the wrong network can result in loss, so double check before continuing. Now enter the amount of your local currency you want to spend. Trust Wallet will display third-party payment providers available for your region. Compare the quotes shown on screen, paying attention to fees, processing times, purchase limits, and supported payment methods. Some providers have minimum amounts, and totals can vary based on their exchange rate and card fees. Pick the option that works best for you, then continue. Follow the provider's on-screen instructions to complete the purchase. Most providers require a quick identity verification, which may include your legal name, address, and a government-issued ID. When you pay with a debit or credit card or a supported mobile wallet, ensure your billing details are accurate to avoid delays. Before you confirm, review the amount of USDT, the selected network, and the final fee breakdown. Once the payment is approved, your USDT will be deposited directly into your Trust Wallet. This usually takes a few minutes depending on the provider and network congestion. If it doesn't appear right away, pull down to refresh your wallet and check the transaction details within the app. That's it, your purchase is complete. Keep your recovery phrase safe, always verify the network you choose, and you'll be ready to use or transfer your USDT with confidence.